Okay, solving a word problem involving rates and time conversion. So for these problems, we're basically have to convert the time. So let's take a look at our first problem. Our car travels at an average speed of 68 miles per hour. How many miles does it travel in 4 hours and 15 minutes? All right, so it's 68 miles per hour. How many miles does it travel in 4 hours, 15 minutes? Okay, so let's go back to the paper. Okay, so it's looking for we know distance equals rate times time. So miles, what it's looking for is the distance. Now here's the key. 15 minutes isn't, you can't make this 4.15. What you have to do is to convert the minutes to hours because they want it in, this is a miles per hour, so it has nothing to do with minutes. So we have to convert the 4 hours and 15 minutes to hours. So the way you do that is you take how many minutes are in an hour. It's 60. So we're going to divide this by 60. So that's 4 1/4 or 4.25 hours. That's the whole key to this problem. You want to get that 4.25 hours. So the distance, that's going to equal the rate 68 times the 4.25. Okay. Just take out your calculator, 68 times 4.25. You get the distance is 289 miles. Okay. So the key here is to convert minutes to hours. You divide the minutes by 60. So, okay, so don't make this 4.15. You'll get the wrong answer, because 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour. So that's why you get the 0.25. Okay, let's take a look at a similar problem, a little different scenario. Okay, a light bulb consumes 7,800 watt hours in 3 days and 6 hours. How many watt hours does it consume per day? Okay. So if you want to take a minute and pause it and try this, go for it. I'm going to continue on and go through this problem with you. Okay, so we have the 7,800 watt hours in 3 days and 6 hours. They want watt hours per day. So this is the watt hours. That's good. And we need this to convert to days. Okay, so we have to convert that to days. Convert to days. Okay. So we have 3 days and 6 hours. So what we're going to do is divide by the 6 by how many hours in a day? It's 24. So this one is also 6 divided by 24 is 0.25. So that's going to be our 3.25 days. So here they're asking how many watt hours per day. So this per can tell us that we're dividing. So we're going to take the watt hours, 7,800, and we're going to divide it by the 3.25 to get it per 1 day. Okay, so we're going to go 7,800 divided by 3.25 is 2,400. And the top, sometimes unit helps. This is watt hours per, and the bottom we divided by days per day, and that's what the answer wanted. So that's a couple examples of solving a word problem involving rates and time conversion.